Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, let's we do further revision here. So here in 17 question, that is do as directed here. So we have to follow the instruction what is given in a bracket here. So first, I respected him because or he is honest. So we have to take the correct answer here. So out of two, here because is proper answer because we have to give reason why you are respecting him. So because he is honest here, so you give the reason here. So because is our right answer. Then a squirrel is playing with a seed here, so we have to do here circle on auxiliary here. So we know that is, am, are, was, where, will, shall, have, has, had, do, does, did are the auxiliary verb here. So we have to circle on is here. Then what is used to avoid the repetition of noun? So we know that noun, we can say that pronoun is used instead of noun. So avoid the repetition of noun, we have to use pronoun here. Then the fourth question, that is oranges are cheaper than apple here. So here we have to use cheap instead of cheaper here. So cheaper is used for the comparative degree, and now we have to use cheap, it means we have to use positive degree. So we are not going to compare oranges with other fruits, so we shortly we can say that oranges are cheap fruit. Oranges are cheap fruit here because we are not comparing oranges with other fruit here. Then fifth question, that is what is the past participle forms of take here. So take change into took in a past and took change into taken in a past participle form here. Then the noun that tell us about the male member are called common gender or masculine gender here. So masculine gender tell us about male member and feminine gender tell about female member here. So for the male member, our answer is masculine gender. Then he will go to Delhi. Here once again we have to underline the auxiliary verb here. So will become auxiliary verb here. Then blank, he is old, he is very active here. So if so the condition here, but although, that is so the contrast here, the opposite idea here. So although is a proper answer to fill up these blanks here. Then nine question, that is the Nile is longer than Amazon here. So once again we have to use long instead of longer here. It means we have to use positive degree. So we are not going to compare the Nile river with other rivers. Our answer is the Nile is a long river. It means we are not comparing Nile with other river. Then 10 question, that what is the past participle forms of hide. Hide change into hid in a past and hidden in a past participle form. So our answer is hidden. Then Nitin. Nitin is more handsome than Sachin here. So identify the kinds of degree here by seeing then as well as by seeing here a more word more handsome, that is a comparative forms of degree. So our answer is comparative degree. So then is a keyword to identify the degree here properly. Then what is gender? What is gender? So the noun that tell us about a male or female member are called gender here. So we have to write the definition. So the noun that tell us about male or female member are called gender here. Then Mona visited Paris last year. What we have to do here? Pick out noun and state the kind. So here Mona and Paris, that is a proper noun because both are the special name here. Both are special names. So we have to write Mona and Paris are proper noun. Then what is the plural of love? So we know that we have to remove F, or instead of F we have to write VES. So our answer is LOAVES. Then Meena. Meena is my classmate. Meena lives near my house. So we have to use pronoun here instead of noun. For the Meena, Meena is girl. So we have to write she here as a pronoun here. So our answer is Mona is my classmate. She lives near my house here. So in do as directed, whatever the instruction given in a bracket, we have to follow the instruction here. Okay, thank you.